Today we're going to focus on just understanding the part palette. And the part palette, again, in the editor is this section here that displays the parts that are children of the page you are on, or the content element that you are on. So depending on how you're editing a content element on the site, you will always see the direct descendants of that content element here in the part palette. So when I'm looking at this page, I have three things in it currently. I have an HTML section, I have a subpage here as well called Launching the Editing Environment, and I have another page called Web Content Editor Features. Now, you notice as I roll over these, each link highlights, and I can click on one, and it'll take me into additional detail about that part. What's nice about this is that I can move from part to part without having to scroll up or down the site. So say you want to go through and you want to adjust titles on pages, you can make your changes here, and then you can move on to the next part. Okay, and each part will show you sort of a summarization of the basic features that are available for that part. So an HTML part is going to be fairly simple, whereas a page part is going to be a bit more complex. One last thing is, as you're working through the site in the part palette, these parts here are tied to the parts in the page tab. So you're always going to see corresponding parts down here that correspond with these, and if you were to click on any one of these parts on the page tab, it would select the part in the part palette that you're on. Alright, so that's it for the part palette. Simple and easy.